Emergency episode: Prices rising. U.S. strikes Iran. What's next for the global economy? Hey there! Welcome to Every Dollar Counts, the podcast that explains money in simple terms. Today's episode is unplanned, but for a very good reason.
The U.S. launched an airstrike on Iran, targeting sites allegedly related to uranium storage. In response, Tehran has promised harsh retaliation. What does this mean for everyday people like us? We're breaking it all down.
This isn't a political episode. It's about the consequences. For your wallet, your family, and the economy as a whole.
The Middle East is a key region for global oil production. Any instability here causes oil prices to rise. As of now, oil prices have already increased by about 1 to 2%.
What does that mean for regular folks? Fuel prices go up. First at the pump, then in stores. When delivery and logistics become more expensive, everything becomes more expensive.
And even if your country, like Canada, produces its own oil, you're still affected by global prices. We all trade on the same markets.
Even more serious, Iran has threatened to block the Strait of Hormuz, a shipping route that carries 20 to 30% of the world's oil. If that happens, charter oil prices could spike, which benefits Russia. Gas and fuel costs would rise globally. Logistics would get pricier, meaning food and goods would follow. We could face a global energy shock comparable to the 2008 crisis. Bottom line, gas prices may rise in days, and other costs will follow soon after. Geopolitical risk causes investors to panic. Stock indexes might drop, the U.S. dollar often strengthens, and safe assets like gold surge. Right now, the crypto market is already reacting. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are down. Investors are fleeing to stability. Iran's announcement about possibly closing the strait has worsened the crypto drop. Volatility is high, and fear is driving sell-offs.
Even if you only invest a little, you might notice the effects in your portfolio soon.
And yes, even pension funds like your RRSP or 401k can take a hit if they hold global assets.
War headlines and crisis updates make people behave differently. Some spend less. Others panic buy essentials.
We're not seeing panic buying yet, but history shows that during geopolitical tension, demand for fuel and necessities often increases. Not due to shortages, but fear.
The longer uncertainty lasts, the more it spreads. Even if you're not following the news, you'll feel it in prices and everyday life.
What can you do right now? Don't panic, but prepare. Here are 3 simple steps. Review your budget. If prices go up, what could you cut back on? Build a small emergency fund. Even $100 to $200 in cash gives you control. Stay informed, but don't obsess. Focus on the trends, not the noise. And if you've started investing, don't make panic moves. Markets always bounce. Your goal is long-term, not today's headlines.
We didn't make this episode to scare you, but to prepare you. Financial literacy is more than money. It's about resilience.
Subscribe to Every Dollar Counts. We make the complex feel simple.
Catch you in the next episode, hopefully with calmer news. Stay safe and protect your budget.